guys, so until now we have created our own chatbot, an AI agent, and in this tutorial we will start with the Shopify integration. So it's going to be a really small and quick tutorial. So let's start with integrating the AI agent into our Shopify account. Alright, so let's log into the Shopify account, and once you log in you will get something like this. And if you don't have a store, just create the store. And your store has been created. If you have your own store, then you are welcome to skip this step. Let's go to the online store, and inside the themes you will see that we have this default theme, and you are free to choose the theme of your life. And after that, let's click on the customize. So inside this theme, just click on the add section over here, and go to the custom liquid, and here you can paste the code. And let's go to our deployment dashboard where we have our integration options, and copy the vanilla.js script over here and just paste it into the liquid code over here. Alright, and you can also give something like z-index is equal to or column 10 to be more precise, and then you can just remove the bottom and top padding and save it. And boom, you can see that our Ask AI has been shown over here. So now that we have this button over here, we can just go to the back, and inside you can click on the view your store, and you have the Ask AI over here. You can see that you can just say hi and it will start with your responses. Alright, so it's as simple as that, guys, and you don't need to do anything else. Just copy all of the vanilla code and put it into the Shopify theme over here. Alright, so if you want to know more about the customization, you can just go to the docs over here, and inside the docs go to the deployment dashboard and vanilla.js integration, and you can see that you have all of this customization options available for this VAKX component over here. And that's it, guys. It's as is simple as that, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thanks for watching.